Hey, good morning, farmer friends. This is Mark Torregrossa. Hey, smile on the face because I think you're going to like this weather for the most part. Temperatures aren't perfect, but if someone could sign us up for the plan that the models are showing for amounts of precipitation, I think we would all take it. So let's get to it here. Just want to let you know that there's always somewhere that has it worse. There's a winter weather advisory down to the south for up to 4 inches of snow. I'll show that to you here in a second too. All right, here's your radar forecast for today. And get a better angle here. That shouldn't be a problem. You still could maybe get a brief snow shower or brief rain shower, but you're talking just sidewalk wet. That's about it. Here is that next storm system. Remember, I've been following this with you all week, seeing how far it would go, and you got to admit, at watching this with me off of the European, very consistent for the last 3 to 4 days, almost down to the mile or 10 miles on the northern edge of that. Doesn't always work out like that, but in this case, it is. So this is midday Friday, okay? So your accumulating snow is down here, and here's the northern edge of the precip, and the northern edge will be light. It will have dry air, so it'll be tough to do anything. So yeah, we could see a rain shower around Frankenmuth area, around the Flint area, Reese, Bay City, possible, but not in it just yet right now, and it would be very light if it did so. So here's Saturday. Next thing I've been watching with you is Sunday, and it's been pretty consistent on this. Here's a cold front, but the change today is that it's not real impressive, although on this kind of flow of the cold front northeast wind this time of the year, we could see a little more substantial rain shower than what the model shows there. So I still think you better plan on a 1/10, maybe 2/10 on Sunday afternoon, but you could sneak through with just a few hundredths. The reason why this first system is weakening is because this next system is stronger. So if we don't get it on Saturday, or Sunday rather, we probably will get it. That's Monday night, Tuesday on kind of a secondary cold front. Not much going on after that. Little spits and sputters, but the main storm 10 days out traveling to our south. We'll look at that a little closer here in just a second. Yeah, I just got to show you this, 2 to 4 inches in the south, and for us, a dusting or something like that is possible. Temperatures today, cold in the 40s, so the soil temperature is definitely going down back into the 30s. This is tomorrow, high temperatures 43-ish. This is Saturday, high temperature 53. So on soil temperature, what I like to do is just a general ballpark thing, is I like to take the average temperature of the day. So let's say we have high of 53, low of 33. You can probably get about a 43-degree average soil temperature. It doesn't work that easily. It depends on sunshine or clouds and whatnot, but it's good general rule of thumb. So to get to our next planting, soybeans, corn, 50-degree soil, we're going to need to see 60 for a high, 40 for a low for a couple of days, okay? So we're into Sunday, and we're 55 or 54. We're into Monday, we're 53. We're into Tuesday, we're probably mid-50s. We're into Wednesday, we're low to mid-50s. So we're definitely going to get our soil temperatures back to 45-ish as we go into next week, and then the warming would be after that. Let's go out into the future here. Okay, so here's our snow that comes on by. Here's our secondary cold front coming down. Might not do anything on Sunday, but plan on a 1/10 or so. Here's our Monday night, little more potent cold front for a 1-day type reinforcing. Here's that thing that we were watching yesterday, and it's a little farther north, and we would be into the warm sector on that. So that's such a small system, we'll just have to watch exactly where it makes a beeline for. The next larger system sneaking off to our south, and we'll get out to 10 days, and if I could take this weather at 10 days and have it be accurate, I would take it. Storm forming out here, warmth coming back in. This storm would be a couple of days away, and it would take a track up into Minnesota and Wisconsin and give us a trailing cold front, couple of hours of showers, but that was 2 weeks or so out. Think you'll like this. This is a 10-day total precip, heaviest down to the south, some to the north. A little closer of a look for you. And like I said, sign us up for this plan. This is 10 days out, total precip, and 2, 3, 4 tenths of an inch. So I do think things are looking pretty good for you. Continue sugar beet planting. You'll have to make that decision sometime late next week as to whether it'll be warm enough to plant corn. Some have mentioned they'll go to soybeans. And I do think that by the time we get to about the 25th, 26th, we'll be looking at some 65, 45 degree days into the last part of April, first week of May. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Right now, we got lack of precipitation on our side. That's the main message. Take care. Be safe. I'll see you around. Bye.